Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Today, Toyota revealed the new Corolla Hatchback. It's a replacement for the current Scion-turned-Corolla. We still don't know how much power it makes, but with a new platform, Apple CarPlay, and an optional manual transmission, the 5-door Corolla definitely has our attention. But how does its styling compare to the old Up front, the Corolla hatch gets sharp, angular headlights and a huge grille. Compared to some of the other sedans in the Toyota lineup, it's a much more stylish look, but fans of the M's more conservative front end may be put off. In profile, you can see a few common themes in each car's roofline, but the similarities end there. The Corolla Hatchback's curvier styling has a more upscale, European feel, which makes sense when you realize it's essentially a US spec Toyota Auris.Out Outback. The European feel continues, especially in the taillights. If we didn't know what we were looking at, we might even mistake the 5-door Corolla for an Opel. The on the other hand, didn't look bad from behind, but its styling is definitely less eye-catching. Then again, its more upright liftgate might offer more cargo room than the sportier-looking Corolla Hatchback.Inside. Toyota definitely took fewer risks with its new Corolla. Cabin styling is inoffensive, conservative, and a bit more mainstream than even the Corolla. The only controversial decision might be the placement of the new touchscreen infotainment system. It's larger and easier to see, but not everyone likes floating tablet designs. At the moment, Toyota hasn't said when the new Corolla hatchback will go on sale or what it will cost. That may change at the New York Auto Show next week. Hopefully, Toyota decides to share what kind of power the engine makes, as well. What do you think of the 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback? Tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.